Assalamu alaikum grade 1. How are you all? Yeah, fine. That's very nice. So open your book of Oxford Progressive English. So my one class, you know that we have completed our this unit which is unit number 1. So now come to the next unit on page number 8. This unit is about monster. Unit number 2, monster. So let's start it now. So my one class, do you know what are the monsters? Oh yes, let me tell you what are the monsters. So monsters are very horrible creatures like this picture. So we all get horrified when we see a monster and we all say, run, run, there is a monster, and we all run like this. Okay? One class, come to page number 8. So we have to start our unit 2. The part A is about complete the sentences with these words. We have to put these words in these blank. So let's start it. Here is a monster and who is talking to a man. So let's see what he is talking about. And the monster is pointing towards the book. So let's see what he is saying to the man. Dash, give me a dash. So he is saying, please give me a book. We will put here please in the first blank and then in the second blank book. Please give me a book. So he is asking for the book. The next blank is dash you are. So the man said, here you are. He is giving her his book to the monster. So he is saying, here you are. Then the monster says, thank you. Okay? So you have to do it like this. Now come to page number 9. Here is our lesson 2, which is about read, match the pictures to the words. So we have to match the words with their picture. So the first one is flower. So we have to match flower like this with the picture of flower. Here is our flower. The next one is water. We have to match the water word with the picture of water. The next one is monster. The monster has been done for you. We have to match the monster with the picture of monster. The next one is sister. Sister. So you have to match the sister word with the picture of sister. Then here is the brother. So we have to match brother with the picture of brother. The next one is mother. So here is our mother. So we will match it with the picture of mother. The next one is father. So we have to match this with the picture of father. Here is our father. So we have matched it to the picture of father. Then the next we are given with some faces. This could be angry, sleepy, happy or hungry. So we have to match this with the picture of these faces. Sleepy. So we have to match sleepy with this picture. The next one is angry. So here is angry face. The next one is happy. Here is happy face. When you smile, it means you are happy. Teddy. So here is the teddy. Thirsty. So we will again match it to this picture, to this face. Now come to the part C. Here we are given with these pictures. So what we have to do? Trace and complete the words using ER or Y. So we have to trace these lines and trace these words, and then we have to complete the words with this ER or Y. So I have traced the first one line, which is about Fiza's brother is asleep. So we have to complete this word, which is brother. So we will write here ER, and then for the sleep we will write here sleepy because he is sleepy. Yes, sleepy. Okay. So the next line is The monst, M-O-N-S-T, monst. So monst is not a word. We have to put here er or y. We will put here er, yes, er, because this is monster. Is anger. Anger is not any word. A-N-G-R with the spelling of A-N-G-R. So we will write here y, yes. And now it is angry. The monster is angry. So you have to trace the whole line like this. The second line is Pizza's mouth is hap. So we have to write here er or y. Let's do it. Er. With the help of er we can make this word mother. Yes, here is mother. So we have to write here Pizza's mother, er, is happy. She is smiling, so she is happy. We will write here why, happy. So this line is now Fizza's mother is happy. The next line is about Ted dash is drinking what? So here is a teddy who is drinking water. So the word will be Teddy is drinking water. So the line is now Teddy is drinking water. Teddy is drinking water. Okay, so you have to do it and trace it very carefully. So one class, now come to your homework. Label the picture with these words. These are words: ear, mouth, tail, wing, eye, leg, and you have to put here these are the parts of body of a cat or a parrot. For the cat I have written for you, like it is the eye of cat, it is the ear of cat, it is the mouth of cat, it is the tail of cat, and here is the leg of cat. So you have to label the parrot by your own self. Okay, Allah Hafiz.